Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin, give you guys an update on the crypto market. There's not a lot of things that I do want to talk about for today's stream. So, today's stream could be a short one, but as always, guys, I do, in fact, want to keep you guys updated on what's happening with the crypto market, what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening with altcoins, what's happening with meme coins, right? I'm going to be talking about all that. Okay, I just want to keep you guys updated. And something very, very bullish did happen today. And we haven't seen this for the longest time. And I will share with you guys, okay, on what I'm about to talk about because this is actually very, very bullish. And this is obviously, a very, very huge signal that we are in fact in a bull run. We know that, right? Last week we saw Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs. Okay, like every single day. Okay, throughout that week we saw Bitcoin reaching new highs ever since we had the U.S. election. Okay, and Donald Trump did become president once again, right? The 47th president. Bitcoin pumped. Same with altcoins. And that is to be expected because usually, guys, okay, every single time we have a US election, what happens with Bitcoin and the entire crypto market? It pumps. And that is exactly what happened with this year's US election, right, for 2024. What happened? Okay, we had the US election. We saw Donald Trump winning the election. And then Bitcoin started to skyrocket, reaching new all-time highs. And of course, altcoins started to pump like crazy as well. Same with meme coins, right? So understand this is completely normal, guys. Okay. And yes, this pump that we have, in fact, been seeing for Bitcoin and crypto, right, is all to be expected because we have seen this in the past, right, with other US elections. So let me go ahead and show you guys what is happening right now with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, $90,000. Okay, $90,000. Still holding very, very strong. I feel like Bitcoin has, in fact, been consolidating. Just yesterday we saw Bitcoin at about $91,400. So today it has slightly dropped. Earlier this morning we did actually see Bitcoin dropping as low as just below $89,000. Okay, yeah, I can clearly see that. Okay, just below 89K. So Bitcoin today is slightly having a very, very small correction back down to the downside, but Yasin's clearly see it is still holding very, very strong. If we go to the daily time frame, okay, when in doubt, zoom out, and Yasin's clearly see Bitcoin is still up there, right? Bitcoin is at $90,000, guys. Okay, just think about that. 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin wasn't even at its previous all-time highs, at the time, right, which was around $73,000. It was below that, right? And now 2 weeks later, here we are. Bitcoin is at a new all-time high, sitting at $90,000. Now, yes, we did see Bitcoin going as high as $93.1 thousand, which means $93,000 as of right now is Bitcoin's new all-time high. And soon enough, guys, I am here to tell you guys right now, soon enough, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching back up to its previous highs, okay, of $93,000 and reaching $100,000. I will not be surprised if in less than a week's time, okay, we will see Bitcoin at $100,000. Honestly, I would not be surprised at this point, right? Last week, we saw Bitcoin pumping, okay? Like the entire week, we saw Bitcoin pumping, and every single day of that week, okay, we saw Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs almost every day of that week. Just think about that, right? And Bitcoin right now is only like what, $10,000 away from 100K, right? So just think about that, okay? So I would not be surprised if we do see Bitcoin, okay, reaching 100K in less than a week time. Honestly, I will not be surprised, okay, at this point. We have seen what Bitcoin is capable of doing, okay, short term, right? Especially when we are in fact in a bull run, in the next cycle, right? The next bull cycle. So understand Bitcoin will reach $100,000 very, very soon, guys. Okay, sooner than you guys think. Now, Ethereum today, okay, $3.1 thousand. Ethereum today is still holding very, very strong. Okay, we saw Ethereum pumping back up above $3,000, went as high as $3.4 thousand, and right now it's still holding very, very well above 3K. So it's still looking pretty good right now for Ethereum. Okay. All right, Marco. Marco says here $97,000 by the end of the month. You know, that is very, very possible. Okay, but we could potentially see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 by the end of this month. I would not be surprised. You know, if you guys have been watching my videos, I've been telling you guys many times, right, that Bitcoin reaching 100K will most likely happen before the year 2025. So I do see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 end of this year in 2024, right? If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys would know I always say that, right? And it seems like my prediction is becoming true, right? It's exactly as I predicted, okay? Because I know how Bitcoin moves. You know, I know how Bitcoin moves, especially during, you know, the next cycle, the next bull cycle, during a bull run, right? It moves fast, guys. Trust me, Bitcoin waits for no one. And you guys can clearly see that, right? What Bitcoin did last week, okay, it absolutely skyrocketed, right, to over $90,000. Okay, at one point it was below $70,000, and then it just pumped all the way up to over $90,000. So I really do believe, personally, by the end of this month, I do see Bitcoin at 100K. I don't think $97,000 is the target. I think it's going to go much higher than that. And remember, guys, we are in fact in Moonvember. Usually November is a very, very decent month for Bitcoin. Okay, we know that. Even next month, December is pretty decent as well, right? We're going to get the Santa rally, right? That is coming, guys. Remember that. So usually in Q4, okay, during, you know, a bull run, we're going to see a massive pump. So I really do believe these next upcoming few weeks during this month of November will be amazing. And of course, next month, December, will be fantastic as well for Bitcoin. Okay, so get ready for that. But guys, the crypto market today, okay, we're not seeing huge movements. Let me go ahead and refresh it. So global crypto market cap still above 3 trillion, 3.03 trillion. Earlier this morning was actually below 3 trillion. It was around like 2.99 trillion, but it's back up to 3 trillion, which is great to see. Overall today, the market is slightly down 0.34%. 24 hours, okay, we're not seeing huge movements right now for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even Tether, right? Even though, yes, it's a stable coin. Solana right now up 7%, okay? I'm glad seeing, you know, Solana pumping today, and it's continuing to pump. And yes, Solana is soon enough gonna, you know, reach back up to its previous all-time highs. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. Okay, Solana soon enough will reach back up to its previous all-time highs and even reach a new all-time high. So understand, guys, Solana is looking absolutely amazing right now. Okay, it truly is. And I told you guys many times that a lot of these altcoins, okay, they will reach back up to its previous highs, even reach a new all-time high. And clearly, okay, Solana is one of those altcoins that will reach back up to its previous highs and reach a new all-time high. Okay, remember, guys, not all these altcoins will reach back up to its previous all-time highs in the last cycle, right? Not all of them will do that. Majority of them will do that, okay, and reach new highs, but majority of them won't do that, okay? A lot of altcoins are dead, okay, and they're going to stay dead for who knows how long, right? Maybe for a lifetime. So you just have to really do your own research, guys, okay? You truly do. So keep your eye on Solana, because you guys can just clearly see Solana is about to break up to its previous all-time highs, okay, over $260, and even reach a new all-time high very soon. So stay tuned for that, right? Keep your eye on Solana. XRP, okay, still above $1, okay. If you guys haven't seen the video that I uploaded a few hours ago, I uploaded it last night. I pretty much sold my XRP to buy more Bitcoin. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. That was probably a bad idea. I feel like I got a lot of hate, okay, from that video, that I sold my XRP to buy more Bitcoin, right? I pretty much like swapped my XRP to get more Bitcoin. And I don't know if that was a bad idea, but personally, I don't think it's a bad idea. I told you guys many times, I'm not a huge fan of XRP. You know, I still held some of my bags of XRP from last cycle, and I thought to myself, you know, XRP was dropping at the time, and I thought, like, there was no point of me selling it. What's the point of me selling it? So I just held it, and now XRP is back at $1, right? And it's been a while. It's been like almost 3 years since we have seen XRP back at $1. So I took this as an opportunity to take some of my XRP and sell it for Bitcoin. And that's exactly what I did last night. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But I don't know if that was a bad idea. Okay, but personally, I don't think it's a bad idea, right? I simply trade XRP. I don't invest and hold XRP. That's just me, guys. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of XRP, but when I see opportunities, I take it, right? So I saw that as an opportunity, and that's why, I took some of my XRP, majority of my XRP, sold it, swapped it to Bitcoin, right? So that is that. But yeah, Doge today is down 7%. Great time to buy some Dogecoin, right? If you had that FOMO when Dogecoin was absolutely skyrocketing, right? Like a couple of days ago, I think it's a great time right now to buy some Dogecoin, right? It's down over 7%. It's at 35 cents right now. Cardano today is down, it's slightly down. We're not seeing a huge crash for Cardano. It's down like almost 4%, and it's still holding strong at 71 cents. So it's still looking pretty good right now for Cardano. So Marco says here, nope, good move. Look at XRP now, 4 hour. Okay, let's have a look. I mean, yeah, I thought it was a good idea. Yeah, look at that, right? It's having a correction right now. Okay, it really is. It went as high as 1.2, almost $1.3, right? So yeah, I think it's a great move. You know what I mean? When I see opportunities, guys, I'm gonna take it. And usually when we see any altcoin pumping this much, okay, eventually it's gonna have a correction. So I think I did the right move. Okay, so shout out to you, Marco, for understanding where I am coming from, right? So that is that. And you guys know, right, when I'm investing into crypto, I'm a basic person. I stick with the basics, which is just Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Because I am here for long term, okay? And when I'm trading in crypto, I pretty much do it with like altcoins, especially the low cap ones. I understand, the risks behind it, and of course, meme coins, right? Meme coins. You need to trade meme coins, guys. You need to get into meme coins. This is how you make a lot of money in crypto with meme coins. We have seen a lot of meme coins moving like crazy. Okay, so yes, sometimes I do trade with meme coins as well. Okay, and then I take my profits and I pretty much reinvest it into like Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's just pretty much how I personally do it, right? So that is that. So yeah, I think it's a great move that I did that for XRP, that I sold some of my XRP for Bitcoin. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, overall, SHIB is down 4%, Avalanche is up 4%. I feel like a fair few alts are still looking pretty good. Bonk is up 20%, Ethereum Classic 14%, RCP 2%. Stellar today, XLM is up 26%. I have no idea why they're pumping this much today, but they're up. Okay, Casper is up 3%. Polygon is up 9%. Finally, they are moving. I mean, Polygon has been looking not that great, honestly, for the past few weeks, even for the past few months, right? So that is that, guys. Overall, okay, the crypto market today is still looking pretty strong, still hanging in there. Okay, it really is, even though some altcoins are down like over 5%, but it is still holding very strong in my opinion. Now look at this, guys. Bitcoin monthly returns is up 28%, right? 28%, guys, not too bad. Okay, so Moonvember is here, right? As to be expected. I told you guys, right? Even last month, November will be a great month for Bitcoin. We'll sure be in the greens, and you guys can clearly see we are in the greens, right? At the beginning of this month, we obviously started off slow. Okay, we were actually in the reds. I don't know if you guys remember that, but we were in the reds, and it was down like over 3%. Now it's in the greens, and we're up almost 30%. So it's looking pretty good right now for Moonvember, and of course December. We're gonna get that Santa rally. Hope you guys are excited for that, because I do believe December will be a fantastic month for Bitcoin as well. So in general, guys, Q4 is going to be amazing this year for 2024. So get ready for that. Now, guys, look at this. The Fear and Greed Index. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, the Fear and Greed Index right now for Bitcoin is extreme greed. Okay, the sentiment, okay, is looking amazing. It is changing, and now it's at 90. I don't remember ever seeing this the index at 90. Okay, like this is insane, guys. It's been so long since we have seen, the Fear and Greed Index sitting at 90 in the greens, guys, like completely in dark green, like bright green, right? It's been a very, very long time since we have seen the Fin Greed Index in extreme greed. Not only that, but also at 90. Okay, it's been a very, very long time. It's almost at 100, guys, right? So this is just a very, very clear signal that we are in fact in a bull run. It has begun, and we know that, guys, right, already, right? Like Bitcoin for the past few days has been reaching new all-time highs. It's been absolutely skyrocketing. We already know the bull run has begun, but you guys clearly see, okay, this is now at 90 in extreme greed. Yesterday was at 86, last week was at 78, and last month was at 73. So you guys can just clearly see people are greedy, and we know retail interest is coming back. It is sparking back up. A lot of people out there that are not Bitcoiners, that are not in the crypto space, they are now getting into the market, right? They are finding the next gem, right? They're trying to find the next, 20x, 50x, 100x altcoin to put in for this bull cycle. Okay, a lot of people are in fact looking into meme coins right now. Okay, as you should, because as I told you guys many times, alt season is about to begin. We are literally right around the corner. Alt season is coming, guys. Okay, so understand a lot of these altcoins in the crypto market, especially meme coins, okay, meme season is coming as well. So understand a lot of these altcoins will skyrocket, guys. Like if you really think about it, we are right at the beginning of a bull run. It has begun, but we are like right at the beginning. Okay, we haven't seen anything yet, guys. Trust me, next year, 2025, will be more crazy and epic than what we are in fact seeing right now for the crypto market. Trust me, next year, 2025, throughout that year, it's going to get even more crazy. Okay, we saw that for 2021, we saw that for 2017, and we saw that for 2013, right? Those years were fantastic for Bitcoin and crypto. Same thing is going to happen for the year 2025, and I hope you guys are ready for it. So this is amazing to see, right? The Fin Greed Index sitting at 90 in extreme greed. The bull run begins, guys. Okay, this is a huge, huge signal that the bull run has pretty much begun. Okay. So, okay, Marcus says Saga. I have never heard of that altcoin. Yeah, I have never heard of this. Is this the altcoin you're talking about? I have no idea. Someone says, yo, what is your portfolio? No dollar wise, but percentage wise, like percentage. Cheers. So my portfolio is, if you're wondering like what I hold, is mainly Bitcoin. Okay, like my portfolio is like, I want to say 70% Bitcoin. Okay, literally 70% Bitcoin, and then like 10% Ethereum, and then the other percentage are just like random altcoins. Okay. Oh, actually, I would say like 20%, maybe like 20% Ethereum, and then the other 10% would be like random altcoins, right? But yeah, my biggest holding is obviously Bitcoin. Okay, and of course, I do trade meme coins mainly, right? When I'm trading in crypto, I mainly just do it with meme coins, right? I've traded Pepe, took my profits, same with Shiba Inu, right? Last cycle, took my profits. I'm glad I did. Okay, so yeah, I made a fair bit with Pepe for sure. Like I remember May of 2023, I was trading at that time, and then like end of 2023, and of course throughout early 2024, Pepe was skyrocketing, and yeah, that's when I was like really up and proper with Pepe. And of course, I took my profits, right? And I'm still trading into Pepe and whatnot. I need to get back into Shiba Inu though, for sure. But yeah, that's pretty much my percentages of my crypto portfolio of like what I'm holding, right? So 70% Bitcoin, 20% Ethereum, and then the other 10% is just like altcoins, right? Like Solana, Chainlink, Cardano, right? Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin is like the only meme coin that I'm like still holding for long term. Okay, that's like the only meme coin. Like all the other meme coins, I'm just simply trading it. Okay, I'm not holding it for long term. So that is that. But yeah, this is great to see. Now I want to show you guys this because this is actually very interesting. Apparently Donald Trump. Okay, and this is just rumors. I don't know if this is actually confirmed, right? But apparently in the US, in America, all your capital gains, okay, that you make in crypto will be tax-free. That will change the game. Let me know, guys, if you guys have heard about this, because this is insane, guys. We know nowadays a lot of countries out there with their capital gains in crypto, it's crazy, right? Especially here in Australia, which is where I'm located. And it is crazy. The tax here that you got to pay, right? With your capital gains in crypto, it's pretty high. And that's why, guys, I am planning on moving to a low tax country, right? When I'm like, gonna do something with my capital gains in crypto, right? Because it is insane here in Australia. But apparently, okay, Donald Trump is in fact doing something with capital gains for crypto to make it completely tax-free. Like, Donald Trump is truly making America great again. Okay, he really, really is. Like, if this actually is confirmed and it becomes true, like, this will be amazing, right, for Bitcoin and crypto in America, right? So we will see, guys, what will happen. But this is amazing to see. And guys, getting into these charts, starting off with this one, okay, Bitcoin is going to be reaching $100,000 very, very soon. This is just the beginning. And you can clearly see in this chart, right, it's just clearly showing you guys, okay, every single time we have the Bitcoin halving event, what happens? Bitcoin pumps. Every single time, right after the Bitcoin halving event, Bitcoin pumps to a new all-time high. And that's pretty much when the bull run begins, right? You can clearly see that. This is pretty much a 4-year cycle, okay? Because every 4 years, we have a Bitcoin halving event. Same with the US election, right? Every, 4 years, we have the US election, okay? And what happens when the US election happens? We see Bitcoin skyrocketing. And you can clearly see that's what happens with Bitcoin, right? Every 4 years, Bitcoin pumps, and the bull run begins. We always enter different cycles, guys. We enter a bear cycle and a bull cycle, right? We went through the bears, we went through the bear market. Okay, honestly, it was one of the longest bear markets ever. And now we're about to obviously enter the bear market, right? And we are already in a bull market. I didn't mean bear, bull market, right? We know, guys, as of right now, we are officially in a bull market, obviously, clearly, right? Bitcoin has been reaching new highs. A lot of altcoins have been pumping. Meme coins have been pumping. Retail interest is spiking, right? The Fin Greed Index is an extreme greed. Not only that, it's at 90. So just think about that. So obviously, the bull run has officially begun. Okay, so looking absolutely amazing right now for Bitcoin and crypto. Now, you guys can clearly see, even though Bitcoin has in fact been pumping, reaching new highs and whatnot, we haven't entered the banana zone yet. Okay, I already talked about this in my previous video that I uploaded earlier this morning. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But you guys can clearly see in this chart, okay, we are about to enter the banana zone for Bitcoin. Okay, even though yes, Bitcoin did reach a new all-time high, last week of $74,000, and then it jumped all the way to over $90,000 in a week time, okay, which is crazy. We haven't seen it in the banana zone yet, which means, guys, we're about to see Bitcoin go even higher. Like I told you guys, okay, you may be excited right now for Bitcoin. People out there may be excited right now. Retail interest is spiking. A lot more people are now coming into Bitcoin and crypto, right? But understand, this is just the beginning. We haven't seen anything yet, literally. Once we are in fact in the zone, in this banana zone, Bitcoin's gonna skyrocket. Look what it did back in 2020. It pumped in the banana zone. Same with 2016 and 2012, right? So understand, okay, we're about to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. It's going to be in the 6 figures. And then eventually it's going to be 150, 180, 200K beyond, even $300,000 and higher. And I hope you guys are truly ready for that. Okay, once we are in this zone, in this banana zone, from there on, it's going to go crazy, right, for Bitcoin and crypto. So that's that. But guys, let's talk about this, okay? For the people out there that don't have one Bitcoin, and you guys probably don't have one whole Bitcoin, right? And I get it, right? One Bitcoin today, it's pretty expensive, okay? It really, really is, like almost $100,000 for one Bitcoin. Obviously, not everyone out there has $90,000 to invest, and I get that, right? But guys, you don't have to buy one whole Bitcoin, right? Try your best to get 0.01 of a Bitcoin, 1% of a Bitcoin, okay, or maybe 0.1 of a Bitcoin, 10% of a Bitcoin, okay, owning 0.01 Bitcoin, 0.01 Bitcoin, 0.2, 0.5, right, half of Bitcoin is a big deal, okay, it really, really is, guys, and you guys can clearly see owning 0.01 Bitcoin is 1 million Satoshis. Owning 0.1 Bitcoin is 10 million Satoshis. Owning one full Bitcoin is 100 million Satoshis. So you don't have to have 100 million Satoshis, guys. You can have 10 million Satoshis, which equals to 10% of a Bitcoin, right? 0.1, or 1 million Satoshis, which is 0.01, which is like 1% of a Bitcoin. Okay, and you can get as small as 100,000 Satoshis, 10,000 Satoshis, 1,000 Satoshis, 100 Satoshis, and then this goes on. Okay, you even get 1 Satoshi, which is better than 0, but obviously you'll need a bit more than that. But guys, if you have $10 laying around, $20 laying around, $50, $100, I don't know what it is, okay, just put into Bitcoin. Treat Bitcoin like it's your savings account. Okay, and understand, guys, when you own Bitcoin, okay, your purchasing power is actually right. It actually rises, right? When you own fiat money, when you just leave your money in the bank, okay, your purchasing power actually goes lower because of inflation. That's why I always tell you guys, you need to invest your money. If you simply want to build wealth, you've got to invest your money into assets. And I highly suggest you guys to get some Bitcoin, right? So this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, but this is just my personal perspective, right? So understand, guys, yes, owning one full Bitcoin, as I told you guys many times, I always talk about this topic on why you guys should own one full Bitcoin, one full coin, is because this one Bitcoin, okay, it's going to be extremely rare in the future. Extremely rare. Nowadays, it's not really rare, but a decade from now, decades from now, right, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, seeing someone owning one full Bitcoin will be extremely rare. And at that time, 10 years from now, 30 years from now, 50 years from now, one Bitcoin will be worth millions of dollars, over $10 million at least. Trust me, it may sound crazy, but I really do see that happening. Okay, understand, guys, we've got to think of Bitcoin as a digital asset that's going to be worth millions of dollars one day, and that will happen. And this is why, guys, I always tell you guys to try your best to accumulate one full Bitcoin, especially right now. Bitcoin is cheap, right? It's below $100,000. When Bitcoin reaches 200K, 300K, right, 500K, 700K and higher, right, $1 million and beyond, it's going to be so much harder to accumulate these Satoshis because the price for Bitcoin is just going to be so much higher, right? So we're still in the early stages right now for Bitcoin. Okay, it's at 90K. Just think about it, right? Try your best to get to 1% of a Bitcoin, and then 10% of a Bitcoin, right? Then 30% of a Bitcoin, 50% of a Bitcoin, right? Half of a Bitcoin, and don't stop accumulating. Keep accumulating, guys, right? Continue to DCA until you get to one full Bitcoin. Okay, yes, I get it. You don't have to buy one full Bitcoin, but try your best. Just accumulate for a lifetime. Do it for a lifetime, guys, and then eventually you'll get one full Bitcoin. Trust me, you will not regret it. Okay, so that is that. But guys, look at this. Exactly 2 years ago today, El Salvador became the first nation state to start buying Bitcoin every single day. Okay, today they own $500 million in Bitcoin and up 500%. Okay, so this is legendary. So you guys clearly see from this tweet, we are buying one Bitcoin every day starting tomorrow. And this was back in 2022, end of 2022 in November. Right, and ever since then, El Salvador, okay, pretty much have been buying one Bitcoin pretty much every single day. Okay, and now they are up 500%. Okay, so this is amazing to see, and soon enough this is going to be like up over thousands of percent, right? So this is absolutely amazing to see, guys. This is truly legendary. Okay, it really, really is. So that is that. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them before I end today's stream. Okay, so Marco says here it could absolutely moon with all the FOMO coming. Yes, that is very, very true. We always see FOMO, guys, right? Every single time we enter, the beginning of a bull cycle, the beginning of a bull run, we always see FOMO. Okay, retail interest, the people out there that are not Bitcoiners, that are not, crypto investors, that haven't been in the crypto space for like maybe never, right? Or for a long period of time, they will come back. And that's exactly what we are in fact seeing. Retail interest is sparking. I know people personally that are literally messaging me about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's our new all-time highs, all that type of stuff, right? They're asking me, should I buy Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin gonna drop? Should I buy it now? Should I wait? Like they're asking me all these type of questions. So that's how you guys, like, we are in a bull run. Like we are back, right? We're obviously in the next cycle now, in the bull cycle. Okay, retail interest is sparking. A lot of news articles, right? News articles are talking about Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, especially Bitcoin, reaching new all-time highs. Okay, so understand, guys, FOMO always happens, and that's exactly what we are in fact seeing right now. Okay, for Bitcoin and crypto, right? And trust me, FOMO, okay, it's gonna lead the crypto market to a new all-time high. We know, guys, the total crypto market cap is spiking, and it's gonna pump even more, right? We know, alt season is right around the corner. Okay, so understand, guys, FOMO, yeah, it will lead the way for sure. Okay, 100%. So that's that. Meme coins right now. Okay, I think today is a great day to buy some meme coins to like get in position to get some meme coins so you can trade it, because some meme coins today are down for the past 24 hours, right? I mean, for the past week, it's understandable why meme coins today are having a small correction back down to the downside. Look at Peanut the Squirrel. It is down almost 15% today. And I told you guys, right? I told you guys, when we see a meme coin pumping like 400% in a single day, like look at this, for the past week, it's up 1,300%. For the past month, it's up almost 3,000%, which is insane, right? And when we see meme coins pumping this much, guys, eventually it's going to have a correction. That's why, okay, Peanut is dropping back down. But there is huge potential for this meme coin, right? Like, we are in the beginning, guys. Okay, alt season, okay, it's about to begin, which means meme season is about to begin. So get your positions, guys. Get in your positions, okay, for meme coins, altcoins, and Bitcoin. You need some Bitcoin. Remember that. Okay, so Mac Baby, great name by the way, says yeah, I own $80,000 in bread. Congrats, that is a fair bit. On base meme, been buying since summer. Can I reach 1 mil? I mean, it depends. Obviously, it depends. Obviously, I can't really answer that because I don't really know where bread is heading. Well, let's have a look here. For the past week, okay, it's up 76%, which is amazing. I feel like a lot of meme coins for the past like week is up over 50% at least, or even over 100%, right? For the past month, it's up 63%, not too bad. Okay, yeah, it's clear to see it is gaining back its momentum. For the past year, wow, 355% for Brett. Not too bad at all. Let's look at the all-time chart. Okay, that is the all-time chart pretty much. So I mean, that is very, very hard to say. It depends where Brett will be heading this bull cycle. Okay. But I hope your $80,000 turns into 1 mil. That's very, very hard to answer. But I think it's very, very possible, especially if Brett reaches, a Pacific market cap. It depends, which price you bought Brett at. And if it even reaches close to $1, I think your portfolio will be amazing for Brett, your trade, right? So that's that. That is a lot of money, by the way, to trade into a meme coin. That is crazy. Like, I highly suggest you guys to, whatever your net worth is, I highly suggest you guys to put like 5% of your net worth in meme coins. right? So let's just say you have like $500,000 to your name. This is just an example, right? If you have 500K to your name, put 5% into that into meme coins, which is about $25,000, right? Yeah. So that's just my suggestion because that's personally what I am doing. I'm only putting like 5% of my net worth into meme coins, okay? And it's been working. You know, I made a fair bit with Shiba Inu, with Doge in the last cycle, this cycle, right? And, you know, last year, 2023, I did trades with Pepe. Okay, if the first time I bought Pepe was like May 2023, don't believe me, I made a video back then. So May 2023 was all the way over here. Yeah, literally all the way here, guys. Right at the beginning. And look at where Pepe is now. So the first time I made a trade and I bought Pepe was all the way over here. May of 2023. Right, and just look at how much Pepe has pumped. If I just, man, I wish I had a time machine because if I just chucked in like, let's just say like $10,000 into Pepe in May of 2023, and look at where it is right now, that 100K will turn into millions, guys. I mean, that 10K will turn into at least over a mil or close to 2 mil, at least. So that's that. But hey, it's all good. Okay, I still made a fair bit with Pepe. But I am planning on, you know, making trades with Peanut the Squirrel because I do believe there is huge potential for this meme coin, right, in this bull cycle, 100% for sure. And maybe, you know, I'll make a video talking about, you know, me making trades with meme coins. Let me know if you guys want to like see that. But I'm down for sure because I know a lot of these meme coins, they're about to pump. You know, they will perform very, very well with this bull cycle. Bonk is up though, 24%, while other meme coins are not really moving today. I don't know why Bonk is pumping this much. Okay, like for the past week, it's looking pretty good as well. It's up over 100%. But yeah, it's looking amazing right now for meme coins. And yeah, majority of them today, past 24 hours are down. So I think today is a great time, like I said, to, you know, buy more, right? To accumulate more meme coins and to make trades, right? Because a lot of these meme coins will pump eventually. I think you guys should like swing trade it, right? Because personally, that is what I am doing. I'm not day trading, okay? I am simply just swing trading meme coins. So that's that. So it's understandable why a lot of people are in fact, you know, looking into meme coins because they want to make that money, right? They want to make that money, guys, and I get it. You know, they want to become overnight millionaires, and we have seen a lot of stories, people becoming overnight millionaires because of meme coins. Okay, so I get it, right? But understand, guys, the risks behind trading meme coins. You got to understand, you got to study it. Okay, you really, really do. And always put money when you're trading into meme coins, always put money, okay, that you're comfortable losing. I cannot stress that enough. Okay, always put money, guys, that you're comfortable losing. Okay, don't put money, don't take loans or anything like that. Okay, don't put money into these meme coins that you're not comfortable losing. Don't put your whole life savings into it, right? Don't risk it, guys. It's not worth it, trust me. Okay, so that's that. Just put like 5% of whatever your net worth is, just put 5% into meme coins and just have fun with it, to be honest, because most likely you're going to lose it. But that's that. But yeah, Bitcoin is still holding $90,000, still consolidating, you know, still looking pretty good right now. But yeah, eventually it will bounce back up. Eventually. It's all about patience, guys, okay? It really, really is. It's gonna reach 100,000. Yeah, it's gonna happen. Mark my words, guys. 100K Bitcoin is for sure coming. I see it. I hope you guys see it. Because, you know, like for example, last week, right, we saw Bitcoin going from, you know, 75,000 to all the way to over $90,000 in like a few days time period, which is insane, right? So Bitcoin reaching 100K, that's for sure going to happen. And like I said, I think it's going to happen like less than a week time. So that's that. That's just my personal prediction. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's stream. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. I just really wanted to come on here, give you guys an update on Bitcoin and crypto, talk about meme coins a little bit, show you guys, these charts, right? Very, very interesting. So stay strong, guys. Hang in there. We're gonna see Bitcoin bounce back up to 93K and of course reach a new all-time high. Like, just let Bitcoin breathe. Like, even if Bitcoin dropped back down to like 85K, that's fine, right? Take it as an opportunity to buy more. Bitcoin has pumped so much in the past like week. It's insane, right? Like, think about it. It's at $90,000, guys. It's at a new all-time high. Just think about that, right? It's insane. Okay. So that's that. It's all about patience, guys. So that's that. Continue to DCA, continue to buy, and let the gains come to you. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So okay, before I go, someone says here, do you see alt season mid-December or early January 2025? Honestly, it could happen next month. Okay, alt season, I do think in the next like few weeks, I think it's gonna happen. Like, I think it's safe to say that we are already in alt season. Like, Solana is about to reach back up to its previous highs, right? And a lot of these altcoins have been pumping like crazy, right? XRP is back at $1. A lot of these meme coins are pumping like crazy. Okay, like, I think it's safe to say like alt season has pretty much almost begun. Almost begun. Let's just put it that way. Okay, but I do believe it's going to happen maybe December next month or early 2025 for sure. So that's that. So Brett about to run in the 50 mil. Yes, very, very possible. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the support lately. It's been amazing. Okay, I'm trying to stream every single day for you guys and upload for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'm trying to give you guys as much info as possible, right, on what's going to happen, around the crypto space with Bitcoin and crypto, right? And I've been doing this for like over 2 years now. So I really do appreciate all the support lately, guys. Like, it's been amazing. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. More videos will of course be coming your way. Like I said, right, every single day I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening on the crypto space. So stay tuned for that. Continue to like this video, guys. Continue support. I do see you guys. I know exactly who you guys are. And of course, subscribe to the channel, right? If you guys are in fact Bitcoiners, crypto investors, crypto traders, like in general, if you guys are in fact in the crypto space, please consider subscribing. I really would appreciate that, right? Let's make that money together. Let's become millionaires together and let's do this together, right? So that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.